What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about is Cardano. This is going to be a little bit different than the videos I usually make because I usually cover like SHIB and Hawk and all these other altcoins. But today we're going to be talking about this and why I think this will make a lot of people millionaires. Probably more than any of these other altcoins for a good long-term investment. So we're going to talk about that in today's video. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe because I post the best crypto videos daily. You probably notice this is not like the typical crypto video. I keep them short, simple, straight to the point. And I'm going to do a $1,500 giveaway. I'm announcing the winner next week. All you have to do is subscribe and follow my Instagram. That's literally the only thing. Just like the video, subscribe, follow my Instagram, and that's it. But if you're not in my Discord, check it out down below on my website. If you struggle finding coins before they actually launch, and it's easy 10 to 15x, I basically do all the work for you. I find all the coins and then I tell them in my group chat. And right now we have like 300 or 400 members. It's growing very fast, so join now. It's at a discount. I told myself a goal for this year was to help 100 people quit their jobs, and right now we're on pace to do that. So if you want to be one of those people, join the Discord, subscribe, and let's get into this video. So like I said, we're talking about Cardano today. I never really made a video on this, but I really wanted to talk about it because this is one of the biggest coins I think that's going to happen in the next 10 years, and I'm going to give you my reasons why. So for instance, right now it's at $1 something. Fundamental wise, it's one of the best tokens that there is out there. Better than Bitcoin, better than Ethereum. It's cheaper, it's faster, and I think that a lot of restaurants, stores, businesses, everything is going to end up using this as a payment method for crypto in the future, because I think this is one of the more reliable ones. I think that this is going to be less volatile than some of these ones like Bitcoin. If you really think about it, Elon said that he wasn't taking Bitcoin. I think there's a reason why, because you buy a $60,000 car, when by the time it processes and stuff, it can literally drop like 5. It's just a nightmare, I'd imagine. So if he ever took in like Cardano or Doge or one of these that he's talking about doing, I think that would be really good for the stock. Obviously it would make it skyrocket, obviously it would bring crazy fundamentals, but literally in 10 years, if you're not holding Cardano, I think you're gonna really be missing out. And that's, like I said, my price target is $100. One of my favorite tokens. I've been holding it for a long time, and I've seen it go from 0.0005 to literally like $1 something now. It's crazy, and I think that we're literally just gonna keep going up, keep going up. Obviously the next target for me is $5 to $10. That'd be awesome, but $100 long term. And if you're holding Cardano, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what tokens you're checking out. And I really just wanted to get this out there. I love this crypto stuff. It's been amazing. It's been life-changing. I hope to spread the love to you guys. So like I said, follow me, subscribe to this channel, and also check out my Instagram if you want to be entered into that $1,500 giveaway. Instead of a token of your choice, if you want SHIB, if you want Cardano, if you want Hawk, you'll be winning $1,500. So I love you guys so much. Don't freak out over this dip. This is the perfect time to buy. And also check out my Discord down below if you want any plays, learn how to double your money really quick. So I love you guys. I'll talk to you in my next video.